Kincaid Auction Realty is proud to offer this very nice 1997 Yale 10,000-pound propane-powered lift truck for internet auction in Naples, Florida. Bidding will close on January the 29th. It is part of the liquidation of the closed Naples Boat Works. This forklift only has 3,050 hours on it. It's been kept inside all of its life. It features a 3-stage mast, side shuttle, solid filled front tires, and has been regularly serviced. There will also be a 15-foot telescoping forklift boom in the auction. On our website, you can check out the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado diesel dually, the marine service tools, equipment, and supplies. You'll also find details on the real estate that we're selling. It's all happening on www.kincaid.com. Don't tarry, because the bidding will be ending on January the 29th.